Everybody students, let's talk about how to create explicit animations in SwiftUI. How to create explicit animation in SwiftUI. So if you want to attach an animation modifier to a view, you end up with implicit animation changing some states so elsewhere in your view might use animation even though so just are incrementing an integer or toggling and boolean. So we're gonna create on this example. This is a Swift UI view, and we're gonna create on Swift UI view. So this is a explicit animation. Explicit animation. We're gonna create on this explicit animations, okay, and we're gonna create on this property state private var, and you're gonna apply on this is the opacity is equal to, you're gonna send this 5.1.0, which is inferred on this automatically inferred in this types. We're gonna create on this button, suppose which we're gonna create on this button and which have action and label, and we're gonna create on this action. Suppose this opacity is 1.4, those opacity is equal to, we're gonna say on this opacity is 0.1, and we're gonna apply with, suppose with the with animation and body, and we're gonna apply the with animation and command S and command V. We're gonna apply the with animations, and we're gonna apply on this image, and we're gonna send this in this image abc. We're gonna apply on the dot resizable modifier. We're gonna apply on dot frame, which on this image, suppose frame is 190, and we're gonna apply this 90 height, and remove this alignment is remove, okay, and alignment is remove, and we're gonna apply on this all property, and we're gonna apply on dot padding in this button, and we're gonna apply on dot opacity in this opacity, but it's opacity, and we're gonna create on this our opacity, okay, and resume on this applications and run on this applications, okay. So tapped on this first, we're gonna change on this value. Suppose this is 1.1, suppose this is 1.4, okay, and we run on this application, resume on this application, and run on this application. So this is the tapped, and which have minus is equal to, so this is remove on this opacity, on this applications. So if you want to attach an animation modifier to a view, end up with implicit and animation doing and some states elsewhere your view might use of and which might use of in the just are implementing an integer to boolean. So we're gonna run on this applications and tab on this. This is the opacities, remove on this image. This is the opacity, and 1 point, suppose this is the minus 1.1, okay. We're gonna run on this applications and tab in this tab on this image. This is a remove on this opacity in this image. So thank you for watching this. We can use of explicit animation in SwiftUI.